What's up, y'all? How are you guys doing today, man? You already know how it goes. It's your boy B back with another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, man, like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't know who I am, my name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize in helping you make an extra income, guys. I am currently about to head to U-Haul with Tasha, and we are picking up a desk for the store, and pretty aggravating because I didn't expect it to be today. I honestly just called because I wanted to nag the person and like have him be urgent about it because I wanted it done by the 15th, but right now it's the 19th. But he was like, it's done. So nevertheless, now it's more so about getting it to the store, which is about to be very frustrating. I feel like it is 12:12. The kids get out of school at 2:09, and we're on the other side of the town trying to get this table, and that's okay, right? Luckily, Tasha's here, so worst case scenario, she has to go and get the kids and all of that, right? But then it's also, is the U-Haul going to be big enough for the desk? Now, you can get, my insight was I'm just going to get one of the pickup trucks, but the U-Hauls that are close to this store that has the desk that they built, they don't unfortunately have any pickup trucks because they said crackheads rent the pickup trucks and ride around, like, you know what I mean, like they got F-150s. So at this point, they only have box trucks and cargo vans. Now, a cargo van, that may not be big enough for this desk. I don't know how. I'm trying to remember. I don't think that desk was that big, but that's sort of kind of annoying me at this point because I just really need to get this. Like, I want to get it done so bad. Only reason why I want to get it done because I want to just open. I want to start working. I just want to get this done. Okay, I just want to get it done. I'm just so ready just to get this point over with. So I'm just really eager to just get this done. I can't say that enough. I'm so eager to just get it done. I'm not excited. I'm not thrilled. I just want to get it done, right? That's how I feel. So we're almost at the U-Haul spot. I just got to make a U-turn somehow, some way. And hopefully this is a speedy transaction. I can't use my ID because for some reason, I think I'm banned by U-Haul, to be honest. I think I'm banned because I guess one time we were moving and I didn't bring it back in time, and I guess I didn't communicate. I really don't remember, but I'm banned. I'm pretty sure, because I wouldn't think I'm banned if I'm not banned, you know. So we got lovely Tasha here, who's gonna rent it, and we're just gonna get this done. We're just gonna get it done. If you guys have had good experiences, bad experiences with U-Hauls, let us know, because I'm very interested. I think U-Haul is a very interesting company. I should have and could have went to Home Depot and got a pickup truck, though. I'm not gonna lie. The only reason why I didn't do that is because I've never dealt with them, and this is not a situation where I want to just do new things, okay? This is more of a situation where I just want to get it done yet again, okay? So come along with us so we can figure out what we fitting to do and see how this whole thing pans out. Worst case, we'll just leave the kids at school, pick them up tomorrow. I'm sure they can eat some school lunch and go about it that way. I'm sure they'll be thrilled to stay at school, but we'll see. All right. All right, so Tasha she don't know how to start when it's a push to start. Oh, and she, you know what I mean? We in the fancy one.
We do this one.
Yeah, but you want to drive it to the Jeep?
No, yeah.
All right. So guys, it is 12, it's like 12:30 right now. So we on the time limit. Come on, babe. You sure about that? Hey, I do it.
I'll do it.
You sure?
Yeah.
All right. She
Alright.
Oh, snap. I ain't never been in a U-Haul with the... Oh, wow. I'm going to keep this till 6:30. Come on. We got to create some content with this.
Alright.
It's another U-Haul coming in, too, so... Turn it all the way. Yep, we gonna go right over
I
here.
could never be a truck driver.
Turn over here, babe. Turn all the way.
Yeah, I'm
Oh,
coming.
okay. And this is a nice little U-Haul, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. They smell new. I think they just got this. They had to. It don't even got no miles. No real miles. Oh, snap. This is new, y'all. It's only got 1,000 miles on it. That's tough. We got them. They acting like they rented a U-Haul in the state car. Let this young gentleman go. All right. Good job, babe. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Come on, babe, because we gotta get the. We got. All right. Come on. Stuff.
You got no. Just press it down again.
All right.
Right. Yeah.
Hopefully I don't crash this, but she got the insurance. So, all right, follow me. Oh my God, let me move the seat back. Woo! All right. Oh, this ain't going. I can't do this, y'all. Hold on. How the hell do I see out the back window? Yes, y'all, I'm using my phone because I don't got my dang camera. Oh man, this is gonna be crazy. Whipping this thing, boy! Whipping this thing! Alright guys, so I'm driving it, and I'm not gonna lie. It's not that bad. It's not as bad. This is the first U-Haul. I usually just pay people to do this. And what I mean by pay people to do it is I would usually literally pay my friends to drive the U-Haul for me, but it's just me and Tasha. So like this is just unfortunate that I gotta do it, but at least it's not a I have something right here. At least it's not a big U-Haul truck, and it's not that hard. And this is a new one, so I mean, hey, the best of both worlds. So guys, I'm waiting in the warehouse. All right, guys, so I'm waiting in the warehouse. Ordered this about how many weeks ago? Like 2 weeks ago. And now we're just waiting. So hopefully. All right, perfect.
And then once I look up, just move the vehicle to the other side. I'll bring out the other items.
All right, thank you so much. All right, hopefully this is a quick one. Okay. I'm gonna go follow Ed, okay, guys? All right. So this is gonna be a shelf. All right, so it's in the back. I don't know if you can see it, but it's in the back. It was real rude of them, I feel like, to not help me actually tie it down. Now, what I mean by that is I was actually going to give them a tip. I had the cash ready and everything. Any other time I come here, they help me, but it just seemed like they just didn't want to, or they were just like rushing. And I do know that their original thing was, hey, Brandon, come after 2 p.m. because it's past lunch hour. But my main thing is, I understand that y'all have a lunch hour, and I really am sympathetic towards that. But I do have children that we need to get from school and a business to run. Like, you know what I mean? So it's like, as a paying customer, paying $900 for a shelf, I felt like, you know, just maybe you guys, you know, can work with me. And I hope that's not why they had an attitude, or whatever you want to call it. But nevertheless, we are on our way to the store. I don't know what I hear cracking, but I hear something cracking in the back. Trying to see if I can get y'all to hear it. I don't know if y'all will hear it, but I just heard it crack in the back. I don't know why. I'm so scared right now. I am driving on the highway. I was going about 60. I ain't even gonna lie. But yeah, I don't know. We are almost there. I'm hot. This thing do got air, but I ain't trying to use all the gas now. Alright, because you know I got to fill this thing back up. And I ain't really trying to fill it all the way up, to be honest. But if you made it this far in the video, man, please like. Of course, subscribe. But liking helps my channel grow. And it helps our community grow. Thank you so much for watching. Yo, I done forgot the dang storage keys, y'all. Because I gave Tasha the freaking car keys to drive to get the kids from school. Oh, my God. I'm so disappointed. All right, y'all, so we got the desk in here, finally. And we're gonna call it a day with that.